Hello and welcome! Today's recipe is a delicious Thanksgiving recipe. I'll show you how to make delicious roasted vegetables, perfectly paired with aromatic Thanksgiving spices, to bring out the best flavor of this seasonal winter vegetables. Let's enjoy our holiday with a delicious and colorful dish that will bring so much fun and warm flavor to our Thanksgiving table. So I'm looking forward to share this recipe with you, and if you enjoy it, please share it with your family so they can have a great Thanksgiving as well. We can start by preparing the sweet potatoes first. Peel the sweet potatoes, slice them, and cut them into cubes. Then transfer the cubes into a large bowl and season with sea salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, cumin, and drizzle some olive oil. Mix everything all together to coat the sweet potatoes nicely. And then transfer them to a cooking pan that you have previously coated with olive oil. Look how nicely coated the sweet potatoes are. Next, we can prepare the Brussels sprouts. Wash them and slice them into halves. Then transfer them to a large bowl and coat them with some olive oil, sea salt, and black pepper. This is all you need for the Brussels sprouts. Mix the seasoning well and transfer them to a cooking pan that you have previously coated with olive oil. For the roasted carrots, we're going to use some fresh herbs such as thyme and rosemary. Chop the thyme and rosemary finely. Peel and slice the carrots. Transfer the carrots to a large bowl. Drizzle them with some olive oil, followed by the freshly chopped herbs and some sea salt. This is all you need for roasted aromatic carrots. Then transfer them to the same cooking pan where the Brussels sprouts are. And for more color and fun, you can add some cherry tomatoes. Once you're done with the prep, bake the vegetables at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, we have our roasted vegetables ready. A beautiful Thanksgiving aroma is coming out of this oven. And look how nice and crispy the Brussels sprouts are. The tomatoes have softened nicely. Carrots are well roasted. And sweet potatoes are fully cooked. So let's transfer everything to a serving plate. For additional color, you can sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro or parsley, whatever you have on hand. And here you have it, delicious roasted Thanksgiving vegetables. Very aromatic, absolutely delicious, the perfect combination of herbs and vegetables for your Thanksgiving dinner table. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe, and if you do, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving! Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.